Look at this yummy piece of chicken. So this is orange cranberry chicken. And I'm going to show you how it's made in this video today. So welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So first, I took a skillet and I put about a tablespoon of oil in this skillet. Now, your skillet must be able to go into the oven. All right, so make sure it's a skillet that can go in the oven. The next thing I did was I added chicken thighs skin side down, and we want to brown that chicken skin. Now when it's ready, it should lift up easily out of the pan. All right, so just like that. All right, so once you get the chicken out of your skillet, you are going to add a tablespoon of butter. But I'm going to tell you what I wish I had done was taken some of that extra chicken fat out of there. And you'll see why at the end. So when you do it, make sure you get that extra chicken fat, or don't add the butter, depending on what flavor profile. Now I'm adding the juice of one orange and the zest of that orange and 1/3 cup of water, and then a half a cup of cranberries. And then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then finally, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and about a teaspoon and a half of seasoning salt. Now we're going to blend that in the skillet, and when I added the butter, I turned the fire on low. All right, so now after you get that mixed in, you are going to put the chicken back on top of that little sauce there. All right, oh, and it'll be skin side up. And then I know you probably are like, she didn't season that chicken, but the seasoning from the sauce as it bakes will work its way through into that chicken, and it will be well flavored, I promise you. All right, so you're going to put it into a 325-degree oven for 1 hour, and then turn it to 400 for about 10 minutes just to make sure you brown the chicken skin nice and golden. All right, so there it is outside the oven. So you see the chicken's got a little more color. And then we're going to take that chicken out of the sauce and put it on a plate. And then you're going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, what I wish I had done here was actually made a slurry with a couple tablespoons of water and a tablespoon of cornstarch before I added it in, because you can see I got some small lumps. I worked most of them out with the whisk there, but it would have been much better. And there we have it, the completed product. And you can kind of see why I said maybe take some of that fat out, because it kind of pulled around the edges. But you know what? The chicken came out very flavorful and tender and delicious. So I would make this again with less fat. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos. Take care all.